There is a broad selection of cleaning cloth products available, each offering distinct features, advantages, and pricing. To assist you in making a well-informed choice, I conducted thorough research, analyzed numerous reviews, and compiled a list of the most reliable and effective options from reputable brands. These products have proven to be highly beneficial for individuals seeking quality and performance. For detailed information, including pricing, please refer to the description. Without further delay, let us proceed to the video. Number 1. Mr. Sega Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. Looking for a reliable, budget-friendly cleaning solution that gets the job done without leaving behind streaks or lint? Mr. Sega Microfiber Cleaning Cloths are a go-to choice for everyday cleaning, designed to tackle dirt, dust, and grime on nearly any surfaced material. Ultra-soft and highly absorbent microfiber cleaning cloths, great for cleaning windows, kitchenware, car, or other delicate surfaces. These cloths feature an ultra-soft, non-abrasive texture that's gentle on everything from glass to stainless steel, making them safe for electronics, kitchen appliances, countertops, and even your car. The high-density microfiber construction allows for exceptional absorbency, soaking up spills in seconds and wiping surfaces dry without the need for harsh chemicals. What sets Mr. Sega apart is its durable weave and color-coded design, allowing you to assign specific cloths for different areas of your home, minimizing cross-contamination and maximizing hygiene. They're also machine washable and quick-drying, meaning you can reuse them again and again without losing effectiveness. Whether you're dusting delicate items or scrubbing countertops, Mr. Sega's cloths make cleaning easier, faster, and more eco-friendly.
Versatile and durable, ideal for everyday household tasks like washing dishes, degreasing pots and pans, scrubbing countertops, and mopping floors. High-quality material, made of 85% polyester and 15% nylon, ensuring strength and effective mess absorption. Color-coded, available in 4 different colors to designate specific cleaning tasks. Best overall, Mr. Sega Microfiber Cleaning Cloths offer a balance of affordability, versatility, and performance, making them a top choice for general cleaning tasks. Best for budget-conscious users needing general-purpose cleaning cloths. Number 2. Usanukes Microfiber Cleaning Cloth Gray. Usanukes Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, gray, light green, light pink, turquoise, white, yellow, 12 PCS 12. 5 by 12. 5. High performance, 1200 washes, ultra-absorbent towels weave grime and liquid for streak-free mirror shine, car washing cloth. Highly absorbent, holds multiple times its weight in water for efficient cleaning and drying. Lint-free and streak-free finish, perfect for mirrors, glass, and electronics without leaving residue. Durable and reusable, machine washable, long-lasting through hundreds of washes. Scratch-free performance, safe on delicate surfaces like paint, stainless steel, and screens. Eco-friendly, a sustainable alternative to paper towels and disposable wipes. Quick drying, reduces odor buildup and bacteria growth after use. Versatile applications, ideal for home, kitchen, car detailing, windows, and gym gear. Color-coded for hygiene, helps assign different cloths for specific areas to avoid cross-contamination. Best for versatility, Usanukes Microfiber Cleaning Cloths provide a durable and versatile option for various cleaning needs. Number 3. Zwipes 924 Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. If you're looking for heavy-duty performance in everyday cleaning, Zwipes 924 Microfiber Cleaning Cloths deliver both strength and softness in one smart package. Built for serious messes but gentle on surfaces, these cloths are engineered with ultrafine microfiber that grabs dust, dirt, and moisture effortlessly, without leaving lint, streaks, or scratches. Each cloth in the 924 series offers plush thickness and excellent absorbency, making them perfect for cleaning kitchens, bathrooms, cars, and even delicate electronics. The durable weave ensures long-term use, holding up well through hundreds of wash cycles without fraying or losing their cleaning power. Designed with versatility in mind, Zwipes 924 cloths are chemical-free and eco-friendly, helping reduce your reliance on disposable paper towels. Their vibrant, color-coded options also help you organize your cleaning tasks more hygienically by assigning different cloths to different areas. Highly absorbent, known for their ability to pick up grease and spills efficiently, making them suitable for kitchen use.
Lint-free and streak-free. Ensure surfaces are left clean without residue. Versatile sizes and colors. Available in multiple sizes and colors for various cleaning tasks. Best for heavy-duty cleaning. Zwipes microfiber cleaning cloths are suitable for tackling tougher cleaning jobs, especially in the kitchen. Best for cleaning and dusting the kitchen, home, car, bath, glasses, and more. Number 4. E-Cloth microfiber cleaning cloths, streak-free windows with just water. Achieve crystal clear windows without cleaning solutions. Our window and glass cleaner effortlessly removes dirt and grime, leaving no streaks or residues, using only water. Ideal for car glass. Say goodbye to auto glass cleaner. Truly clean. Our innovative two-step cleaning process quickly removes 99% of grease, grime, and microscopic particles for truly spotless, streak-free, and thorough results every time. The perfect kitchen cloth, cabinet cleaner, or car glass cleaner. Chemical-free cleaning. Designed to remove over 99% of bacteria using just water, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. Purpose-specific sets. Offers an 8-piece set tailored for various home cleaning needs, including kitchen, bathroom, and glass surfaces. Durable and reusable. Can be washed and reused multiple times without losing effectiveness. Best for chemical-free cleaning. E-Cloth microfiber cleaning cloths are ideal for those looking to clean effectively without chemicals. Number 5. Magic Fiber microfiber cleaning cloths. Magic Fiber cleaning cloths. This 4-pack of Magic Fiber cleaning cloths includes 2 thin gray cloths, 16 by 16 in, and 2 thick light blue cloths, 13 by 13 in. Clean the household items that you care about quickly, effectively, and in style. Soft and absorbent. This streak-free miracle cleaning cloth is made from 100% microfiber material, making it high-quality, absorbent, and soft. Absorb and remove dust, oil, smudges, fingerprints, dirt, and more without leaving scratches, streaks, or lint. Electronic specialist. Perfect for cleaning delicate surfaces like camera lenses, eyeglasses, and smartphone screens. Ultra-soft texture. Ensures scratch-free cleaning without leaving lint or streaks. Compact and portable. Comes in packs with multiple cloths, convenient for carrying and on-the-go use. Best for delicate surfaces. Magic Fiber microfiber cleaning cloths are excellent for electronics and optical devices.
That concludes my overview. I regularly create informative and helpful videos, so please consider subscribing to my channel. If you require more information or wish to check the product prices, be sure to explore the description below. Should you have any questions or encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment. Stay connected with us for updates on innovative products that are designed to make your life significantly easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.